All right, it's Friday, November 21st, just following up on the SPY. You can see after chopping around in the morning with a little bit of a downward, bias, it's now following through lower to the lower yesterday, this yellow line here. So I bought some puts in here just after looking at opening price action, anticipating we take out the low of yesterday at a minimum. That's all price really has to do today. So we're doing that right now. I wanted to scale out and kind of set up a no-risk trade. I bought those SPY 660 puts at 1104. I just sold some here at 12. They're asking now 1267, but it's very choppy. So it's a no-risk trade to see how much follow-through we might get. We have a target now to the pre-market lows down here if it wants to get really, it wants to resume the downtrend that's unfolding here in the morning. But in the big picture, we're at a key inflection point on a Friday. This is a key, pivot here. It's a pause area at a minimum. If it wants to head lower, it could be a reversal area to the upside, but we'll know that more into next week. So, and it's very choppy in the morning here, so it's very tricky to know how price is going to react into these lows yesterday, pre-market lows, big picture inflection point. So anyway, it followed through lower, no risk trade right now, scaled out, just going to watch price action and let it lead the way. You don't want to see it get strongly green and get back through the midpoint of that first bar in terms of structure on the day. And as long as it stays red, we'll see maybe if it can hit this target and maybe just, have a very negative close to the week here and lead to lower prices going into next week. If we can break through this area right here, if I look at the kind of the daily chart, which was this key pivot point, then we can be heading to much lower areas into the weeks ahead, down to the 630 area as well. So after that big red day, we're trying to follow through a little lower, but it's a key inflection point. So let's watch that 15-minute price action closely here at the first level lows of yesterday, see what happens, see if we can get to these pre-market lows. And again, it's all at no risk right now, but a little uncertain as to how if price is going to continue the momentum that it established yesterday.